guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys missed us because we're doing another vlog!
Yay!
And we're really craving for
Quesadilla!
so we're gonna make some today. And guys, did you notice my mom cut my hair? Now it's like armpit length, chest length, and I really like it.
Okay, so shall we begin?
Yes!
Okay.
Guys, we already heated our pan, so we can just put our ingredients.
Okay, so you start with our olive oil. Yeah? I'll help you with
It says olive
oil. So let's just pour like 2 tablespoons. I can estimate it. It's enough. Then, first, you have to, what do we have to put? Garlic. Okay.
Yay!
Put it.
But guys, today I'm the chef and the sous chef. Because mostly it's always him because he's always
And because Dad is not here, I am the
Video.
cameraman.
Yeah, I'm the
With
videographer.
Camera woman.
So I'm just here
And
while
guys,
both of you are doing the cooking.
guys, if any of you love Sanrio, you should check Rocks because they have new edition Disney villains which my brother has and Sanrio.
Okay, good.
And it
Later
says
you can show it to them.
Hello Kitty. They have
Let it brown a bit, Anna. Before
the
you-
color. They
Yeah,
have even characters on. It's like gibbets on the shoe, on the Crocs.
It's permanent
It's
gibbets.
What's the first name again? Keropi
Yeah, the carrot.
and Keropi, Keromi, Hello Kitty, Batsamaru, Choco,
Batsuma who?
Yes, now you can add your onions, Anna.
and many more. Do you guys just like love the smell when it's like olive oil and garlic together? Nice. With onions, it's like
The aroma is so good. Yeah. Wow, see? My little chefs are really good in cooking. So, how's it going?
Oh, it's almost translucent.
Yeah. I think you can now add your meat.
Did you guys know that my mom loves My Melody?
Yes. My Melody character is my favorite.
My favorite's Cinnamoro.
Keep mixing, my love.
I thought all of the
Hey, you make it first.
Okay. You know it's my brother's favorite. What's your favorite?
Favorite what?
Hello Kitty character. I know. Keropi. Because when we just went to check Forever 21, you know what happened? Me and my brother saw the cutest Keropi jacket and Kuya wanted it. But it's so expensive. 100 what?
No, that's 200 something. Okay, I will just help my big kids, who's now bigger than me, and soon my bunso is going to be bigger than me as well.
Hey,
So I'll just help you with the mixing
Good, Kuya.
until our chicken is cooked.
And if you're wondering why Daddy's not here, he is at work.
Yes, Daddy already has a job in
Abu Dhabi.
yes, and he's only coming home tonight. So
Yes.
it's just the three of us in his vlog today.
And then for dinner, we're gonna have something so yummy.
What?
It's
What
the
are you
garlic thingy.
The Korean. What is that?
Garlic bread something.
Yeah.
Cause it like,
Cream cheese garlic bread.
yeah, but it's gonna take like 2 or 3 hours.
Almost.
And like it has cream cheese or sour cream inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, they dip it in some garlic stuff. and then they bake it again, and then it looks so good. I can't wait that for it to be our dinner. Can I try, guys? Yeah, it's hard.
Be careful.
Oh, I forgot. This is chicken, not beef.
We use chicken breast because it's healthier.
Yeah, and
We always go for the healthy options, right, guys?
Yes.
like whenever we go in, like, we go to airplanes when we were kids, my mom would have to bring us like super duper healthy stuff because we were super picky eaters back then. Like if you just give us a smell of like, I don't know, porridge would be like,
Is this
no, and then we'd start
Not
saying,
yet po.
I don't like it. That's why we always have to bring like fried rice, spaghetti,
Tomato
tempura.
rice.
Yeah, and what else? Only those stuff. And adobo.
Your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what's going on here.
And guys, I have a new favorite food. I know before you guys used to say things. I used to say that my favorite food was spaghetti, but now it's sushi. I love sushi so much.
And now we're going to add
Can I add?
some lemon.
Can I? Oh, no. You can do it.
Okay. And Kuya, you can put these here. We'll add a little soy sauce. We're using light soy sauce because we don't want it too salty, right, guys?
Yes, because in our household, we used to like salty.
Before,
Like a lot. We would put like a lot of,
not so
not
much.
like so much, but like, I don't know, like a lot.
Not a lot, not.
Just like a
Oysters,
lot.
Yeah, but we just like less than.
That's why now we're using light soy sauce because it's healthy.
Plus, it's not too salty. And we're just going to add
Mamacita.
Mamacita's oyster sauce. Like 2 tablespoons.
Can I add? I mean, can I?
You can add.
Okay.
Oh.
Then mix it.
It's like you're making adobo.
Looks like popcorn.
Oh
Mix
yeah.
it properly, my love.
It looks like popcorn a bit.
Because of the meat.
It doesn't smell. You know, it's my favorite popcorn. It's cheese popcorn. I don't. Caramel is my dad's favorite. Like we always buy in our local store. Like bigger than my head. It's like this big, and then my dad finishes it in 1 week.
Like a tumbler of popcorn.
Like he's like this. And then he gets like a handful and then he just
Uh-oh.
like that. I really want a dog.
Is it cooked now?
But guys, we got a new pet. We got a new pet, guys. Guess what it is? It's a sea turtle. We got a turtle. But our turtle is very lazy and it doesn't want to eat at all. We got a turtle and the name is Pickles. Because green. Guys, if you live with us and you see the storage, normally it would always be filled with candy. Because I'm not a vegetarian, pescatarian, or any tarian thingy. I'm only a candy-tarian and a sushi-tarian.
Sushi-tarian?
Yes. That's all I got. That's what we're making. Yeah. Wow. On camera it looks like popcorn. But here it's brown.
And maybe we can just try and how it tastes. And then when it's dry, we can already, there should be no more sauce. Then we'll just let it cool and prepare our quesadilla.
I'm
Lower
always
na.
the taste. I'm always the taste tester. I'm gonna leave some for you.
No, I want the surprise.
No, you can taste. Oh.
That's what she likes.
It's like, no man, I'm not gonna get you.
How does it taste? Is it perfect? What can you say? You didn't taste it?
I didn't eat a lot because.
Okay, so let's just simmer it down some more until it's totally dry. And look at these chefs. I think they can't wait to wait. They can't wait to wait.
Ow.
Be careful.
Oh, I thought there was something just. It fell?
No. And because you love tomatoes, we'll put the tomato the last.
I like potatoes more.
No. But we don't put potatoes in quesadilla. So I think this is good. You think?
Good.
Okay.
And it fell.
Yeah, not yet. Not yet for the tortilla wrap. Oh, I really miss Daddy at this point. It's difficult to be a sous chef and a videographer at the same time. So let's set this aside. Kuya, why don't you hold the camera first? And
I need water.
Ah,
the
yes,
cameraman.
I will make my
So
surprise.
I think this is good.
Guys, look at this water bottle. It's so cute.
I'm just adding the tomatoes
It's so cute.
and we'll turn off our heat
Guys, look. It's a
because
flamingo.
these kids love tomato. So we're adding in tomato in our quesadilla.
I like potatoes. I like tomatoes, but potatoes don't better for me.
So let's just leave it like that
This?
for a while. I think we can transfer it in this thingy. Because what will happen next
Tortilla time!
is the tortilla time. Okay, now we are setting up our
Quesadilla.
quesadilla, but we're using mozzarella.
One more.
How much?
Okay, smaller one.
Oh.
Then we're just going to add our meat. The tomato.
Top with cheese? No.
Topped with cheese. Wow.
That's
such
enough
a cheese. A little bit too cheesy, my God.
And crying.
Why?
Eyes are burning.
So, so
How do you sample it?
see? And then you'll just
Fold it.
hold it like that.
Then press it.
Yeah, wait pa. No, because later we're going to
Bake it.
so we're setting it aside like that.
How much are we gonna make?
Let's see how much we can make out of this.
How much is
Wait na kayo na.
5, 6, 7. We have to make 7.
7? Don't you think that's too much?
So only 2.
We can make 4. We'll see how far this meat mixture
goes?
goes.
So until it's
How
finished.
far I go.
That's how. Oh.
The tortillas already being cooked
Mm-hmm.
from the inside. Look, feel it. It's already hot.
Yeah. Okay, wait lang.
Cheese.
No need for that naman.
You can eat it.
Oh. I will just
What?
A little oil.
Yes. Usually we don't add oil.
Yeah, but this one is olive oil naman, so it's healthier.
It looks like
Just tiny.
It looks like
And
look, yeah. It looks like a dinosaur. Looking back. No, boy, you separated it.
we have really, I separated it. Okay?
Yeah, you did.
So we're just trying to make sure that our quesadilla is full. And since this
Wait,
is
so
already
it's
hot,
full.
You can add two at a time actually.
yep. Maybe we can add some more meat.
Add some more meat until it's filled. That is too much, dear sister.
So like you.
So we're just going to actually do that.
No, you didn't.
And in no time, you'll have your.
I don't think I should go too close because every time I go so close to the fire, I start tearing up.
Because of the gas.
Yes.
But you see, kids, mommy is helping you out because you should not be doing this by yourself. It might hurt you. You might get burned.
There's another thing you can also do.
It's nice and crispy.
Nice, guys.
Are you excited?
Yeah, of course, we're excited. It's gonna taste
Like
so
for 5
good.
minutes. We're gonna turn this around.
My
flip it
eyes are
around.
tearing up again.
Why is it cold? Of the glass?
I don't know. Because don't you remember when we went camping?
Yeah, that's only that you if the gas is powerful.
I think
Flip.
flip it, but careful. Oops. Wait. Ta-da! We can do this
I'm
way.
scared.
Don't need to get scared. Ta-da! And we just.
It's just
Whoa!
It looks like a dumpling, see?
Mhm.
It looks easier than I thought.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
You can have one later. One for you, one for Aika, one for Mommy, one for Ate Angie. Hi, Ate Angie. Thanks for helping out.
For her sister.
No, Ate Mela is on that. We'll put Ate Mela on that. What are you whispering?
He
Wala.
said,
You want this? You're saying you wanted to help too?
no, he said, if,
We can still
he said,
make. We have.
if you don't like it, I don't like it.
See, look like a dumpling.
Yep. The kuya here is already excited for it. So,
It looks so good.
see that? See how easy it is to make?
Yeah, I'm so excited to try this. It looks amazing.
And you have an instant quesadilla. Now, we just add more. Later for tasting time. You have to taste it. Ate Angie as well.
You will join.
How about Ate Angie joins you?
Yes.
Tasting time.
She will eat.
Ate Angie will have to eat with you.
Yes. This looks so good.
You want to see our Ate Angie? Hi, Ate Angie! We have a special guest.
Camera.
Parang gising pa lang.
That's
You woke up
okay.
like at 10.
So while we're doing this, I'll prepare some more. Okay? Kuya, you wash up.
Okay, it's my turn to cook. I don't know how to
Because
cook.
we still have the meat, so might as well. No, anak, I'll be the one to flip it later. Yeah.
Okay, now we're almost done. Just 2 more. And then I can savor that delicious.
I can sense that the other boy there is so excited.
I'm just watching.
Okay, now.
I'm hungry.
Okay, that's okay.
Right.
Huh? Although you did not.
Look at my eyes. Look, did I?
Why don't you start setting up?
Sniff, sniff.
So we are ready. Yeah?
This looks so good. Look at it.
Look at it, guys. Even me, I'm just so. Wow, it's so
Look at the
toasty.
bread on this thing. And then look at how do I feel? Oh, there! I got it! Look at the toppings. Look how delicious it looks. Look at the cheese. Look at the cheese.
Yum, yum.
I want to eat this one because this one.
Because it's cool already. Yeah?
I want.
Yes, ate, and we're going
Ate
to
Angie,
this one.
come here. Ate Angie, come here. Say hello. I will just film you.
We are going to have this tasting time with Ate Angie.
You.
Okay, and these now are our what, anak?
Quesadillas.
Quesadillas. We're done. So,
Did I see?
wanna see? Here our quesadilla.
Looks good.
And now it's our favorite time.
Tasting time.
Yes!
Finally get to eat it.
And let's
Let me see.
Oh my. That is so good.
the mozzarella.
Everything about it is good. No. 100 million.
Go Black Go Black is my favorite.
A good cheese bite.
Remember, it's sweet. I said this stuff.
Cheese.
Whenever it's sweet, I'm thinking something like with a lot of oil or sausage. I always say, do you want to taste mom?
Later po. I think you'll only have one. And I'll finish all three. What do you think?
See, I told you.
Kidding.
You know, I told you.
Here's a
Whenever
tissue.
I eat, I'm the best.
You know, also me is the juice of the delicious chicken.
Sorry, I got one.
That's okay po.
It's like so juicy.
You have to hold the end so that the filling will not fall off.
I really like this so much.
Same.
So think of what you want to make on your next vlog, or maybe the viewers can also recommend on what they want you to prepare. What do you
Yes.
think?
Yeah.
Mhm.
But like
Mm.
when we tried,
Yummy tomato.
when we went outside before, we went to a mall and we ate the quesadillas. It
Mhm.
wasn't the best, but this one, it's good. I highly recommend this.
Okay, I don't know how to do this.
Just rip it off.
I got it perfect. No. And look. We can finish all three.
I'm gonna share with Ate Angie, remember, and Mommy and Ate Melay.
Thank you.
I'm fine with it. How do you want it? I think this is weird. And the cheese.
And Kuya finished his already. Uh-oh.
Will you like that one?
Okay. It only shows how good it is. Careful.
Or soft.
That's okay, anak. That's toasted. It's more crunchier.
Last night when we were watching what to make, we found this, and my brother was already drooling.
Oh my.
Guys, please ask your parents, brothers or sisters to help them make you this, because you will just say, because you will be in heaven on cloud 9.
This is something you'll never regret making.
Yes, I'll never forget this moment of making quesadillas. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Comment and hit that bell for more notifications on our new videos.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Love you. Okay, finish this.
Juicy.
I'm feeling so good.
I like it with the mozzarella. I like it. First or second?
No, it's Kuya second. The viewers saw you, Kuya. You had your second.